Now let's take a look at some more important text functions for trimming and changing the case of text values in data. The trim function is used to remove any empty spaces from text strings, excluding spaces between words. This function can be very useful in solving data compatibility issues. For example, a frequent problem in data entry is random spaces at the beginning or end of a text string. Such problems can greatly affect your ability to work with text-based data. Note that the only argument in this function text is used to specify where the text data that you would like to work with is stored. Suppose that A1 contains John Smith as a text string and B1 contains Jane as a text string. Let's have a look at possible examples of how the trim function would work. In this example, the trim function has the text argument set to A1. John Smith will be returned with all of the spaces at the beginning of this text string removed. In this second example, the trim function has the text argument set to B1. Jane will be returned with all of the spaces at the end of this text string removed. The upper, lower, and proper functions are used to change the case of the text in the data. The upper function converts all lowercase characters into uppercase, while the lower function will do the opposite. The proper function will only capitalize the first character of each word in a text string. For all of these functions, the only argument is text. This is used to indicate the text-based data that you would like this function to work with. Suppose that A1 contains John Smith as a text string and B1 contains Jane Smith as a text string. Let's examine some examples of how the upper, lower, and proper functions would work. In this example, the upper function converts all of the text within cell A1 to uppercase. In this example, the lower function converts all of the text within cell A1 to lowercase. In this example, the proper function ensures that only the first character in each word in cell B1 is capitalized.